students, in today's class we are going to have the topic Laplace transform. So under this topic we will have more number of subtopics. So this topic is solution of differential equation. So using Laplace transform we are going to solve this problem. Okay. So this is the problem. Solve y double dash minus 3y dash plus 2y equal to e power 3t, and there will be some conditions also, which is y of 0 equal to 1 and y dash of 0 as 0. Using Laplace transform we are going to solve this, right? First is we need to write the problem as it is. Okay. The second step is just to take Laplace transform in each term. That means order to take. Okay. So L of y double dash minus 3 outside, L of y dash plus 2 outside, L of y, that should be equal to L of e power 3t. Okay. So first step is we just took Laplace transform. The second step is just we are going to use the formula. The formula is what? The formula is s square L of y of t and minus s into y of 0 minus y dash of 0. This is for double dash. Okay. The next thing is minus 3. 3 is common and you will have one bracket. And for this case the formula is s into L of y of t and minus y of 0. Okay, and close the bracket. And the third one is plus 2 into L of y, that should be equal to, the formula is L of e power at. Formula is what? Is 1 by s plus 3. Okay, left side just replace y double dash and y dash, and this one is same, and the right side just replace the formula y equal. Okay. The next step is we just going to replace the term y of 0 and y dash of 0, which is given to the all. Okay, the value is what? Y of 0 is 1 and s square L of y of t, then minus s into y of 0 is what? 1 and minus y dash of 0 is 0, and the third one is we just multiply this minus 3 inside the bracket. So we are going to get the term as minus 3 s L of y of t, and the next thing is y of 0 is 1. Just multiply the term, minus into minus is plus 3 into 1 is 3. And the next term is plus 2 into L of y of t, and that should be equal to, right side term is 1 by s plus 3. Okay, we just replace the initial condition. Okay, now we just simplify and want to collect the terms L of y of t. Okay, so L of y of t is how many terms? Total we will have 3 terms. We just take L of y of t as outside, and the remaining thing we just write it in the bracket. So s square minus 3s and plus 2 into L of y of t minus s into 1 is what? Minus s, and we don't have any term, right, except this 3. So plus 3 equal to 1 by s plus 3. Okay, we need L of y of t in the left side, and the remaining term just bring it to the right side term. Is write this term as it is. So which is s square minus 3s plus 2 into L of y of t, and that should be equal to, just bring the term to the right side. So this is minus s, so which becomes plus, and this becomes minus 3, and plus we just write the term 1 by s plus 3. Okay, so then the left side we need to write in terms of factors. The multiplication is 2 and addition is minus 3. The two numbers are what? Is minus 1 and minus 2. And into L of y of t, and you take LCM as s plus 3 in the right side. That means you have to multiply here s plus 3 into s minus 3 plus 1. Okay, the left side just write the same term, and the right side you need to solve this. Okay, so that should be equal to, just multiply the term. So s square minus 3s plus 3s and minus 9 plus 1 whole divided by s plus 3. Okay, so the numerator term is what? S square. This one is cancelled, and the remaining thing is minus 8 whole divided by s plus 3. At last, we just bring this term to the right side. Okay, we need only L in the left side. So L of y of t equal to, bring this factor. So already we have a factor. Now we just write s minus 1 and s minus 2. Okay, so this is L of y of t. Finally, we need to find y of t, and y of t is what? Yes, just bring this L to the right side. So it becomes L inverse of s square minus 8 by s minus 1, s minus 2, s plus 3. Okay, the question is we need to solve this differential equation. That means we need to find y of t. Okay, that is the thing we got in this. Okay, so finally we need to find this solution. Okay, that is we are going to see in the next class. Using partial fraction method, we need to solve it. Okay, thank you guys.